Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Omulungi agenda maaso n'okubeera ng'otugoberera n'okutulaba ku Balusan TV. Subscribing ku YouTube yaffe Balusan TV, following TikTok account yaffe Balusan TV. Akaseera kano ku radio Bilali 94.4 FM nteekateeka yaffe eri eya school marketing platform. Ku Balusan TV tubeera mu nteekateeka eya The Schools on Live mwe twogerera ne ba department heads ku ssomero. So right ku ssomero ya Al-Kawthara Islamic School wano ekatooke mbere yonna kyagitambuza. Kakati no gwendi mukogerako naye akaseera kano ye Director of Studies ku side eya secular. Nsaba ebigambo byogerera tubuuzeeko tulabe ensonga bwe zitambula wano academic wise. So kamangi sawo tubuuzeeko.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wala musiza mwenna abakuwuliriza Amanya Kasozi Muhammad, Director of Studies at Al-Kawthara Islamic School, Sangi Wakatoko Wamala, Nasana Municipality, Wero Division, District ya Wakiso. Nabo bwengambiddwa okweyanjula sijja genda wala nnyo. Director of Studies at Al-Kawthara Islamic School, the side of secular.
Okay. Tweyanze. Tugenda straight ku nsonga. Ku side ya academics tamu eno bitambula bitasofa akabantu bakatambula ku Al-Kawthara.
Kibuuzo kirungi nnyo neyanziza mukama wange. Okutwaliza awamu side y'ebyensoma, that is the academic part. Essomero tutambudde bubi okusinziira batamu weetuuse. Naye badde wari yange side emu baleta naapu y'abaana obuti gwesiina bwe ngenda kunenya oba muzadde oba mwana oba ensonga egenda mu maaso mu ggwanga, that is the outbreak of Ebola. As the Islamic community, we had the Eid celebration, which we have to give our learners time. Omwana akulenga akimanyi nti what we call Eid, it must be given time because they have to fast the day of Arafah. That also has to be considered because that Arafah, yes, but the law, because what I'm nayenga tena wakunyizibwa. Alright, it is the pandemic that is scaring the parents at home. Following the other one that we had previously of COVID-19, where parents paid money, the learners studied only for some months, they were sent back home. So parents, the fear is there indeed. Because paying some money, because of the pandemic.
Wiki akatekayo obukaddewo.
Exactly. Omwana ali waka no kugula mmere buto. Ng'omuzadde n'agenda kusaidia ke mazima bakubooneramu. Naye it was, of course, to our lucky side, the government came out, disclosed it very well. As a school, alhamdulillah, the directors, I'm here to thank them. They have provided the SOPs, everything is in place to make sure that our learners are learning to their expectations. Then the side of the parents, but as the pandemic is there, yes, we are still teaching. The school has opened. Please, we are requesting you to kindly bring the learners. All the SOPs are in place. So we are eager to receive the learners and make sure the teaching is going on very well. The staff, especially the colleagues I'm taking supervision of, they are already in place, ready to handle, to discipline and teach the learners. So the parents, please don't fear. Government we are ready to teach. The ministry has not stopped. Therefore, the schools have not stopped. We are still handling the teaching.
Okay. Tweyanziza nnyo, tweyanze. What's the role of Director of Studies on the side of secular? Mulimu guguli ki ku ssomero wano?
So as a Director of Studies, ku ssomero lyonna waabadde. Omulimu ogusinga okuwa omukulu okukakasa nti ebyensoma bitambula bulungi wakati mu kukubiriza abasomesa wamu n'abaana following up the teaching process. So that is the major role of the director of studies. Yes.
Okay. Tweyanze nnyo tweyanze. Nteekateeka kize mulina naddala mu kwongera amaanyi n'okakasa nti nno Al-Kauthar Islamic School eyongera ku progressinga nagenda maaso mu flying colours mu byenjigiriza.
As Al-Kauthar Islamic School, following the previous interviews, we were very clear. This is the first term, or the first time we are holding the PLE exams, and we are ready with our candidates, ready to sit for PLE. Now, okwongeramu okulinyisa Al-Kauthar waggulu, being our first time, we are eager. The teaching staff is ready to make sure that all our learners achieve what they have to achieve. The reason that's why the parents sent them here must make sure it is going on. Then, to that side, being second term, we always organize the mock exams for the candidates. Now, to make sure that they prosper, we have set measures. Omuzadde ali ewaka oleme kuggwamu maanyi, because where we used to learn from, they used to tell us that what we call a mock, wow, that one is a mess. So we want to make sure that these parents change that attitude now, from being a mess to something that is good. So we are here as the staff of Al-Kauthar Islamic School, being headed by the DOS, the side of the teaching, then our head teacher. We are here to make sure that these learners are getting what they must get. Make sure that the mock, of course, we are going to have the internal and the external. So the ones that are going outside, we shall make sure that we represent the school the way it is supposed to be represented, inshallah. Then following that, we shall make sure that the revision continues, the consultation of the learners continues until the last day. The last day, that is when we shall be doing the English paper in the evening on that day. That is the final day. So we shall make sure that these learners are left when everything is done, inshallah. Then not only the candidates, but also these other ones, we are almost towards the transitional term. That is the third term. But before we go there, we must make sure that these learners are given the foundation. The promotion exams that are taking them to the different classes, they are not, as in they are not practiced, or they are not done at that or during that final term. We must prepare them from right from term 1, but being term 2, we are adding more effort to make sure that whatever that was put their side is continued with until the end of the year. Examinations are done to make sure that we don't leave any learner in the class. All of them are promoted to the next class. So that is what I think a parent who is at home would wish to see. That is the progress, learner by learner, class by class, inshallah.
Okay, this is a dual curriculum school having theology and secular. The two things learn in the same time or in the same period you have as a education program we have in Uganda. How are you as a school balance the two things so that all of them are successfully done? So we had the Mushif Tarim, those who said theology, and we have those who say the secular. Katingamwe ba departmental heads, staff ziri almost biri, baseka tali omu budde mbalaba wano bayitawo bangi. Kakati nga department sebbiri mukola mutya oba mukikwasaganya mutya ne musobola okubeera nga muli bawanguzi ne mukiyimirizaawo ekigambo eky'ebintu ebibiri?
Ku nsonga eyo kasooke okwebaza b'enkola nabo. Amazima gali nti toyinza kuteekawo progress nga tewali enkolagana wakati waabwe. Amazima gali nti staff ziri bbiri, however olw'okuba abasomesa lwabwe tusomesa Luzungu tuyinza kulekawo gap era enkolagana esigala weeri, in a way that if it is time management, buli musomesa alina okumanya nti this time from here to there it is time for the shakes. Let us manage. Now what you from here to there, there will be time for teachers. They also abide by the rules that are there that are governing all the sections that have to be taught. So what we do, the secular is carrying out the activities. The theology is also carrying out the activities. But not only those ones, we also have the co-curricular. The co-curricular, yes. We must make sure that all the three are in place. And each and every day, we must make sure each department is added on something. So what we do, the sheikhs are given a timetable. The teachers also have theirs. So we must make sure that the time allocated is strictly followed. And that one is a supervision that is very close from the director of studies, that is secular, even the director of studies, theology. We must make sure that whoever enters the class must deliver what has taken him or her there. So with the close supervision, we are sure that the theology is going to prosper as well as the English side is going to prosper. Okay. Inshallah.
Okay, tuyanze. Tusaba tumalirize n'obakabo obusembayo eri abasomesa specifically
eri abasomesa neyanziga kusakama okusoka kwa byonna buli musomesa gyali njagala kwebaza kayindire kuba mulimu gw'okola mazima si kyangu to bring out this learner the way the world will welcome the learner. Engeri ennungi y'okuleeta omwana abeere nga naffe atweyagaza mazima si nyangu tuukako naye mbeebaza abasomesa buli mu kiti ky'olimu owa nasale owa lower primary n'owa upper primary n'aba secondary inshallah saba Allah mulimu gw'omukola awatali kulyaza amaanya abeere nga abaddizaamu singa okuba ekirungi. Then abasomesa bannange be nkolagana nabo mbakuutira n'obubaka bwange bwe mbalekera okusooka enkolagana basaba ebeere ng'ebeerawo nga bwe zinga ebeerawo. Then the way we present ourselves to the learners basaba ebeere ebyo gye tubali tumaintaininze ereme kukyuka kuba obulungi bw'abaana baffe kubanga ng'omusomesa amazima gali nti omukulembeze kyalaga bwakulembera kikontribinga almost 90% ku neeyisa y'omuntu oyo okusinziira ku kyalabyeko. So the same applies to the learners that we have here. The way you behave before them is what they are going to take. So the moment you behave in a way that is not accepted, that is what they are going to take. And at the end of it all, the world is going to welcome a learner who is not well prepared. So I'm urging the teachers, even the sheikhs, please let us cooperate and make sure we present ourselves to the learners in a way that is supposed to be accepted. Okay. Inshallah.
Thank you very much. What is the Sheikh?
Amanya Kasozi Muhammad, Al-Kawthar Islamic School Director of Studies. Okay. Era so okusembayo kwa byonna nsaba okutumira bonna abaagaliza Al-Kawthar Islamic School ebirungi abazadde baffe abaagalwa alhamdulillah tubeebaza buli mukoze olw'obulungi bw'abaana baffe abatutwala wano the directors tubeebaza nnyo olw'omuzimbo guno n'okubaga kuterawo eddiini nga n'oluzungu lutambula kya muwendo nnyo kubanga omwana okumuteekamu empisa walayi kikalula okuggyako nga ne spiritually olina engeri gy'omutaddemu direction entuufu. So mbeebaza bonna nsigadde Kasozi Muhammad Al-Kawthar Islamic School Director of Studies the side of secular.
Okay. Tweyanza nnyo tweyanzeege tubadde ne Director of Studies Sadia Sachura ku Al-Kawthar Islamic School. Mugende maaso n'okutugoberera program ekyatambula yenze Lukwata Salim tubadde Muda Schools on live awo nno tuba tutambula na ba departmental heads nga batubuulira biki ebigenda maaso n'okubeera nga ate bitambula mu ssomero mu mbeera mu bendera. Yenze Salim, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.